Every soul, a spark of light. Together we can shift the night. Echoes of the collective, calling clear through hearts that listen. Truth appears, no need to blend, no need to hide. The world will change from what's inside. I've sought my place in crowds and never saw my face.